This is Charlie's Trains, and we got 5 trains going around at the same time. We got 2 over here moving around. We got 2 here. We got the one Santa Claus train running around Kennerville, Ohio. Here comes this one going around the bend. Coming up, it's going into the mountain. All the steam locomotives are smoking big time. For those who are watching my video on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, if you would, please subscribe to me. Go to Charlie's Trains with apostrophe S and put 9169 behind my name, please. I appreciate it. Thank you. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.